name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service. I have a whole team of former IRS agents, and I've been doing this a long time. I've worked thousands of cases. I get a lot of calls from a lot of people. You can imagine when you're a former IRS agent and you owe back taxes, just get a lot of different calls. We do really, really good work. One of the trends I'm seeing is for Optima tax relief. They're a big company, and I'm sure they do fine work wherever whoever does it. But I just want to tell you there's dangers in dealing with Optima tax. I get a lot of calls from people who are upset. They personally have told me they have been ripped off, and I was surprised hearing this, so many calls that they were not sued. The Attorney General, there's been a lot of big companies in this space wind up getting sued and being shut down by the Attorney General, and they're usually always for the same things. Well, I found out actually the other day that there's a class action suit being filed against Optima. You can look online. But there's dangers in dealing with this company and other large companies, and I want to tell you why. You can look the suit up yourself, but they're like lack of communication, false advertising, telling people they're going to do this, not getting back to them, false and misleading information. The suit has it. These are all alleged. I will probably tell you at some point in time. People probably will have documentation. I know that people have called me and said the same thing. What's happened to my money? Optima didn't do it, and other companies, but everything seems to be centered on Optima. I read kind of the suit and what the allegations are, and those are the things that the people tell me. I don't know how the suit's going to come out. I don't know whether they're true, but some of the dangers in dealing with big companies are this. When you first call them, you're speaking to salespeople. They are very skilled. They're very good. You can tell you are because they want to get your information and bill you. They want to send you a contract out. That's what these big companies do. They have to go ahead. These people who answer the phone, they make their money. All you are is money to them at the end of the day. They know enough and they sound good enough that they can do this. They have promised people, all these companies, what they can do, but you're speaking to salespeople. If you want to hear the truth from any company, you got to be speaking to the person who's working your case and has reviewed your information, whether it's Optima, I get anything, any of these companies, you get the same thing. Make sure you're speaking to the person who's working your case, then Zoom with them. Let them review your financial statement, let them review your paperwork, and then when you sign up and send them money, know who you're giving that money to. Anyway, call me. I'm a former IRS agent. I'm trying to give you the best tips so you don't get ripped off. We are really good. I'm sure there's a lot of people really good, but we're really, really, really good. Give me a subscription if you would. Thank you so much.